देखो जी, टर्मिनल टर्मिनल वोल्टेज, इसको हम बोलते हैं टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस भी, टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, या इसको हम बोलेंगे पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ऑफ cell. So terminal voltage is the potential difference of the cell. So the potential difference between the electrodes of a cell in a closed circuit when current is drawn from the circuit is called terminal potential energy. So when we draw the current from the cell, then the potential difference between the two electrodes, that is called the terminal voltage, that is called the terminal voltage. So when current is drawn, that is from this cell, इसको हम बोलते हैं सर्किट क्लोज्ड, सर्किट इज क्लोज्ड. द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस at the two terminals of cell is called terminal voltage. ठीक है. इसमें आप कुछ केसेस है. When cell is discharging, that means when current is drawn from the cell. ठीक है. Number first, when cell is discharging, so that means when current is drawn from the cell. When cell is discharging, that means when current is drawn from the cell, then the current inside the cell is positive terminal cathode to negative terminal anode. Okay. So when we discharge the cell, when current is drawn from the cell, then current is from positive electrode to negative electrode. इसको बोलते हैं हम कैथोड, फ्रॉम कैथोड टू एनोड. ठीक है. लेट ई इज द ईएमएफ, लेट ई इज द ईएमएफ ऑफ सेल, ईएमएफ ऑफ सेल. आर इज इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस. ठीक है. एंड आर इज रेजिस्टेंस of the circuit, capital R, and I is the current drawn from the cell. ठीक है. So we have I current through the circuit, R is the resistance of the circuit, capital R, small r is the resistance of the cell, and E is the EMF of the cell. Therefore I जो है ना, I is equal to किसके बराबर होता है? I is V by R, है ना. लेकिन R क्या है? एक है सर्किट का आर, कैपिटल आर, प्लस इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ सेल. सो आई इज इक्वल टू ई बाई आर प्लस आर. ठीक है. देयरफॉर ई इज इक्वल टू आई आर प्लस आई आर. ठीक है. और ई इज इक्वल टू जो आई आर है, इट इज वी प्लस आई आर, या वी जो है हम इसको हम लिखेंगे ई माइनस आई आर. ठीक है. ये जो आई आर है, आई आर, it is potential drop. So then the potential difference of cell is less than the EMF of the cell here. Okay. So when we draw current from this cell, then the potential difference across the cell between the two terminals of cell, it is less than that of the EMF of the cell. Okay. When current is drawn from the cell, when cell is discharging, when cell is charging, when number second, when cell is charging, जब हम इसको यहाँ से ही चार्ज करते हैं तो क्या होगा? तो then it will be from negative, current will be from negative to positive electrode, from negative to positive electrode. ठीक है. अच्छा. Then the current will flow from anode to cathode, positive to negative to positive, यहाँ anode to cathode will be current. ठीक है. I it is equal to potential difference V minus E, है ना, because we are charging the charge, divided by R. ठीक है. टोटल पोटेंशियल होगा ना V minus E by R. This is current is equal to V by R. What is the total? V potential difference minus the EMF of the cell by R, because we are charging this. Therefore V minus E is equal to IR, which means E is equal to E plus IR. So when we charge the cell, then the potential difference across the terminals of the cell, here terminal voltage, it is greater than the EMF of the cell. Okay? So it will be greater than the EMF of the this small r, EMF of the cell. So when we charge when we draw the current from the this cell, then the terminal voltage will be less than that of the EMF of the cell, and if we will give current to the cell, then the potential difference will be greater than that of the EMF of the cell. This is the terminal voltage or potential difference of the cell.